I tried everything to get these pavers looking good, so it was time for a revamp. I started by testing if they were sealed, then gave them a once over with a pressure cleaner. I poured Dulux Concrete Paving sealed surface cleaner into a bucket of water and brushed it straight on, scrubbing any stubborn spots. Another rinse had them spick and span. Once dry, I taped up and did a quick sweep. I mixed up the sealed surface primer with the additive and cutting with a brush, then used a long nap roller to apply all over, and it took just an hour to dry. I chose to tint the Dulux Concrete Paving coloured sealer to match the surrounds. After cutting in around the edges with a brush, I used a new roller to apply it lengthways, overlapping the sections slightly, and was wowed by the transformation. The second coat I went the other way from side to side for a beautiful finish. And what a difference! It's now fresh and bright, just in time for summer.